We have 156, 437. You can actually smell the diesel, it's stinking. Smells of poo. See the fumes in these trains, it smells like poo-poo. It's left my swearing, but it does. I will admit it. And here we are. This should get a green light eventually. Then we'll see 511 go. Driver in his cab. Also I can't record, so it's dangerous. Don't know if that signal to the left here will go yellow or green. Hopefully yellow so I can get a picture of it. If it goes to green, so what? We shall get a recording out now, a picture, a recording of it. I just wonder when they eventually do get rid of these class 156s that they use battery electric multiple units. Because the only problem connecting it to Kilmarnock is you've got landslides and you've got its problems, so landslips, flooding. So using a BEMU on the Barrhead line to Kilmarnock would be beneficial. The same with the Highland main line as well. They'll probably introduce battery electric multiple units or the use of hydrogen. See, this is diesels, right? This is a diesel train and it's last well, it's twilight years. So obviously danger overhead wires. So if you touch the overhead wires, you're dead basically. So yeah, I mean the Barrhead line was electrified 2023 I think. So 3 years ago this has been electrified. And they're still short on electric trains. It's quite poor that they've got trains like that. There we are, here goes the 156. It's going to be loud when I record this. Once the 156 is away, we will then go back to the bus stop where I will end the video there. Nobody's in Barrhead train station, so it's quite impossible to see all this. Whilst you're going to see the doors get shut. And the train's due to go any second. I mean, I don't mean to be twitching these videos, as you know I've got a mild form of Tourette's, so obviously bear with me as I can't control my tics sometimes. So after the Commonwealth Games we'll see the return of the 4-carriage class 380 to Barrhead again. The reason why they're using a diesel on the Barrhead line at the minute is because there's Commonwealth Games going on. If Glasgow's got a Commonwealth Games, it's no 2014, it's 2026, so Glasgow obviously using these diesel trains on the Barrhead line. So I wonder what the Scotrail's using today, you know, I wonder what the Scotrail trains are today. Probably 1.560s, maybe the 1.380, but there we go. There's class 156, 511, along with 507 departing to Glasgow Central. This is an old stopper. It's a bloody noisy train. I'll show you with that. There we go. Yeah, there's the 156 away. So that signal to the left here will just stay in red till the train's through here again. I mean, the train service in Barrhead is pretty poor. So, yeah. I do recommend class 380s for this line, in particular. So yeah. Obviously, yeah, look at the other side. I mean, they can use battery electric multiple units to Kilmarnock, but it doesn't need full electrification. So basically what they can do, well, just get it slow. What they can do is have discontinuous electrification from Barrhead onwards. So they can, once they get rid of the class 156s, they'll introduce battery trains on this line. It means the pantograph will come down at platform 1 and the pantograph would go up to platform 2 for Glasgow Central. Now here's my suggestion for the battery electric multiple units. So basically my suggestion of a class would be class 430 for the battery electrical multiple unit, and class 386 class 386s for the electric lines, low levels. So I just wish that Glasgow did order some more class 385s and ordered, what is it? They start ordering class 386 or 389s. That'd be pretty cool. And for the Fife and Dalmeny lines and Borders Railways, we should order class 430s. That's a suggestion. Doesn't mean we're gonna get these train classes, but that's what I would choose. Failing of which, 392s would be also a good number as well. So yeah, I will see you guys later. So, ta-da!